because we have these other exchanges like Binance and Bybit. They have so many shenanigans. If they're really not wanting to include Pi Network on their list of cryptocurrencies or tokens, there are other reputable exchanges. Okay, and one good example that I can recommend or suggest, okay, as a cryptocurrency enthusiast and a believer of Pi Network would be coins.ph. Okay, so for this one, if you're watching this video and you're from the Pi Network team, I hope you can see these next steps or this next information I'm going to provide. From the coins.ph website, if we're going to click on the help center, there's an option here to click on the suggested topics. And then if we're going to click on request more help, on the next page, we can click on crypto transaction. Okay, and then on the lower part, we can click on other. Okay, if you're going to check on the list we have here, there's an option where we can select listing a coin or project on coins. Okay, so what I'm trying to point out on this video is that if you're from the Pi Network team, the legitimate Pi Core team, if for some reason you're able to watch my video, I pulled up this information directly from our coins.ph website. Okay, this is my actual account. I hope the Pi Network team can consider our coins.ph platform here in the Philippines. This is one, I'll say this is the number one mobile cryptocurrency wallet we have here in the Philippines, aside from Maya and G Crypto, which is connected to PDAX. If I'm going to choose among those, I'll be selecting or choosing to partner with coins.ph. That's only on my based on my own research and my own opinion as a cryptocurrency enthusiast and a supporter and believer of the Pi Network project. Okay, so how to list your coin or project? Fill out the application form. To start, you need to complete the listing application form. Okay, so coins.ph listing application form. For this one, it's not really the customers who's going to fill up this form because there's an option here that only the actual cryptocurrency project can provide. Okay, so with this information, if our Pi Network team is really considering to expand their cryptocurrency project and add more reliable exchanges to be in partnership with their KYB or know your business processes, I hope they can consider partnering or teaming up with coins.ph. Okay, so on our standpoint as Pi Network supporters and believers, you can also do the same thing I did to reach out to the coins.ph support team. This way, if the coins.ph team will notice that a number of their customers or coins.ph users are reaching out to them, requesting to add the Pi Network coin as an additional cryptocurrency on their platform that can provide a positive outcome and contribute for the continuous growth, okay, of our Pi Network ecosystem. Okay, hi everyone, welcome for another Pi News update. Today's video is about the possibility of Pi Network being listed on coins.ph. Okay, so coins.ph is a popular Philippine-based mobile wallet, cryptocurrency exchange, and payment platform that allows users to buy, sell, and store crypto, pay bills, buy, load, and transfer money all from a smartphone. Okay, so coins.ph is trusted by millions of Filipinos for its convenience, security, and integration with local financial services. Okay, so we can see here I tried to click on the coins.ph help center, and then if we're going to open my previous tickets, I had this conversation. Hi coins.ph team, I want to ask if coins.ph is considering to list Pi Network as an additional cryptocurrency on coins.ph. Okay, I attached a screenshot of the centralized exchanges where Pi Network crypto is currently listed, such as Gate.io and MEXC or MEXC. Thank you for reaching out to us regarding the addition of Pi to our platform and for sharing this information with us. While we do not have a framework yet on adding new digital currencies in our platform, our team still tracks the exchange rates of these digital currencies and will take note of your tokens. Okay. I was thinking, if this is the case, what's the basic or current criteria a crypto project needs to meet to be listed on coins.ph? Okay, so our representative responded, and he mentions that what we meant in our previous message is that we currently do not have a specific timeline for when new tokens will be supported on our platform. Okay, adding new tokens goes through a thorough evaluation process. We take into account several factors such as projects, background, market demand, and overall security before deciding to list any token. Rest assured, our priority is to provide a secure and diverse range of assets for our users. So, based on the information I gathered and the responses I got, coins.ph has their open doors for promising projects like Pi Network to be listed or included on their platform. Okay, it's just that if we really believe in the project, the Pi Network, uh, we can try to support the Pi Network if we are really pushing it to be listed on reputable exchanges like coins.ph. We can try to reach out to coins.ph so that if they notice that most of the Filipinos or customers who are using coins.ph are supporting or believing in the Pi network, they can be persuaded and they can consider listing Pi network as an additional cryptocurrency available on the coins.ph platform. Okay. I would also like to flex or promote our sewing business, Maribet Plus Size Mananahe. We have here our latest video with the title of Pi Commerce and Map of Pi, Pi Network Payments featuring Maribet Plus Size Mananahe Facebook page. Okay, so basically this is a all-in-one tutorial on how you can set up the Map of Pi if you have your own business, maximize the Pi Commerce use case of the Pi Network ecosystem, and maximize the payment feature, okay, of our Pi Network mobile app. Okay, I'll be sharing this video as well to our Fireside forum later under hashtag PiCommerce and Pi News Update. Okay, and disclaimer statement for our Crypto Bayanihan Web3 wallets. All the information on our website is published in good faith and for general information purpose only. Any action that you take upon the information you find on our website, Crypto Bayanihan Web3 wallets are not financial advice, okay?